everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we are opening up the California Found box for October. So I'm really excited. I've really enjoyed this box in the past. So if you do not know what California Found is, you can kind of tell by the name, but the products in this box come from California. So it's a great way to discover local small businesses in California. It's full of great stuff. Another thing I love about this box is that you can either subscribe or just do a one-time purchase. So if you want to get it as a gift, that is an option. So I'm going to link them down below. I'll list all the pricing information and all of that. I'm also going to list down below any active giveaways I have going on. As of now, there are 2, so if you have not yet entered, definitely check those out. But yeah, let's get started. So this is what the box looks like. Super cute. I love the orange ombre effect. It's like a sunset, very pretty. It's opened. When you open it up, it says Hello Sunshine on there, and then everything is wrapped up nicely, and there's some cards on top. And these cards tell you more about more about the products that are inside. And the first one, it says a little intro. It says, "Welcome to the California Found October 2019 collection. We're excited to bring you this month's collection of unique and lovely California artisan-made products. And one box contains our golden ticket, which entitles the recipient to one free box to keep for themselves or give as a gift. So look carefully. Good luck, sunshine." In addition to our ongoing commitment to 1% for the planet this month, in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we're setting aside 10% of our profits to support the Breast Cancer Research Foundation in their mission to prevent and cure breast cancer by advancing the world's most promising research. That is so amazing. That's a lot. So they normally give 1%, but now they're giving an extra 10% this month. That is so awesome. Good for them. I love that. Got the cat hair on my nose. I was literally just petting my cat. So if you see me touching my face, that is why. Everything's wrapped in tissue paper. Let's get this open and see what we got. I'm so excited. Ooh, the first thing I see is this cute little box. I wonder if this is jewelry, but I love the color of this box. Ooh, it looks like they're earrings. Charitable Jewelry Revive Hope, Strength, Awareness, Charity Cures. These are so pretty. They're blue, green, and purple. And you can tell that they give back to cancer by that ribbon. I can't tell in the viewfinder if you can actually see what these look like. I hope you can. They're so pretty. So let's get the card out for this. I love the cards they give. They're so informative. So you can see it shows the founder, some of the jewelry, and gives a little description. So Revive Charitable Jewelry. Nikki Zazali finds beauty in unsuspected places. Cell images of disease. Each of her designs incorporates these cell photos. Oh yeah. In an attempt to use a disease against itself and help us take our power back from it. I actually have my microbiology degree. I didn't even realize that those are close-up pictures of cells, so that's really cool. She says her pieces are more than just unique and lovely jewelry. They are hope, strength, awareness, charity, and cures. Because 10% of every sale goes directly to disease research, you're supporting life-saving advancements and creating positive change for the future. For October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we chose 3 variations of Revive Sterling Silver Stud Earrings to support breast cancer research. And these are $35, and there is a code here to save $5 off your purchase. So I think there's codes for all of these items. So if you're interested in anything, just leave a comment down below. But again, these are so pretty. And I have to find this hair that's on my face. All right, I think I got the hair out, but it definitely messed up my makeup, but whatever. Oh my gosh, I see a candle. I love candles so much. Let's get this out of the bubble wrap. No way. Barton Burns Pumpkin Pancakes Eco-Friendly Soy Candle, hand-poured in California. Pumpkin pancakes? Okay, I'm trying to resist smelling it to show you guys what it looks like first. Super cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it smells exactly like what you would think pumpkin pancakes would smell like. Oh my god, I want to eat some so bad. I fast on Mondays and I'm filming this on a Monday, so this is a little brutal, but it smells so good. Smell-o-vision, where are you? Wow, somehow I'm opening these items in the order of the cards. That's nice. So this is the card for the candle. So Barton Burns. Erica Barton is a Southern California physical therapist and maker of the all-natural, eco-friendly pumpkin pancake soy candle we are featuring this month. Erica created Barton Burns in 2017 to help fund physical therapy medical mission trips she and her husband goes on. She also creates handmade cement containers. We feature one in our April 2000 collection, or we featured one in our April 2018 collection. Succulent arrangements and 11 other amazing soy candle scents, including fall and winter ready Sierra Pine, Hazelnut Coffee, Apple Orchard, and Alpine Birch, to name a few. We think pumpkin pancakes with its not too sweet blend of pumpkin, vanilla, and baking spices is the perfect way to bring a little sweetness to your autumn kitchens. So this is an 8-ounce candle and pumpkin pancakes, and it is $18. And looks like they have an Etsy store, and then there's a code for 15% off. So that's awesome. It smells so good. I'm gonna leave this open right next to me. Awesome. I love that all these like are giving back and stuff too. So great. Oh my god, last month we got really good treats, and it looks like we're getting treats again. Oh my god, yum. I can't wait for tomorrow to eat. So the California Brittle Co. Oh my god, these look so good. We have Cashew Brittle and Toasted Almond Brittle and Cinnamon Sugar. These look phenomenal. The treats we got last month were so good. I seriously texted like Nikki about it. I think she gets this box too. I was like, did you try those yet? They're so freaking good. So these have cashews, butter and sugar, almonds, butter and sugar. It says what's inside matters, free of preservatives, gluten, soy, and corn syrup. Handcrafted in California. Of course, these look so good. Let's find the card for this. Oh my gosh. So here is the card. You know, all of these owners and like creators of these products are so damn cute. So California Brittle Co. California Brittle Company, founded in a small town off the central coast of California, has always been about treasuring the simplest of pleasures. Amy Hinton, California Brittle Company's founder and chief candy maker, says creating handmade treats for holidays, life events, or just plain fun is something that connects her with her customers and makes each batch that much more special. As they have continued to grow, not much has changed for this perfectly sweet specialty food company. Every batch of brittle is still handmade with a few simple ingredients and a signature soft crunch that we absolutely love. So these are $3.50 each, and there's a code here to get 20% off your purchase. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat these. They sound so good. So good. Next up is in a little bag. It looks like it might be like a roller ball or something, but we will see in just a moment. Let's get this out of there. It has some plastic wrapping over it. Let's get that off. And this looks so cool. There's like little stones in it, and it says sleep on it. You can see those little stones. And then there's a little thing in here that says Bon Vivant Designs. Bon Vivant means a person who loves to live life luxuriously. I think I fit into that. The inception of Bon Vivant Designs was formed through a love of design and passion for creating luxury. Our obsession to build beauty in all things leather, metal, and stone drives us forward every single day. Our goal is simple: to create excellent products that make you, your home, and or your business shine. Bon Vivant Designs is proud to claim all of our products are made in America. We are committed to preserving our planet's future and use only recycled, lead-free pewter and recycled leather whenever possible. Awesome. It says having trouble sleeping after a long, hard day? You need this genuine amethyst rollerball and sleep essential oil blend. Amethyst helps with insomnia, physical ailments, and emotional issues. Our sleep blend will help soothe inflammation, treat anxiety, restlessness, and depression. For best results, apply to your temples and or wrists. Oh, I love stuff like this. I'm gonna keep this on my bedside. Smells good. So yeah, it's just a roller ball. Just put on your wrists or your temples. Oh, it smells good. I love this, and the amethyst stones in there, that's so pretty. I hope you guys can see that. And like that says sleep. Awesome. Let's find a little card for this. Ooh. Oh, I think we get 2 things from that, or maybe not. I'm looking at this picture and I see like some wine. I'm like, what is that? But Bon Vivant Designs, so it's obsessed with building beauty and little luxury things. Okay, we kind of read that already. So this amethyst rollerball and sleep essential oil blend is $39. Oh, this is so cool looking too though. I'm definitely putting this on my bedside. But it looks like they make other things like for wine glasses, they have like wine ornaments with their stones, or they have really pretty coasters, so that's cool. So, and there's a code here for 15% off your order. Ooh, and then we have these 2 creams in here. It looks like Revitalizing Day Cream and Replenishing Night Cream. Ooh, these are by Honey Belle. I love skincare and stuff like that. So these are made with rosehip, hibiscus flower, and neem seed oil. They are moisture rich, or the day cream's lightweight, non-greasy, and antioxidant packed. It's for all skin types. And the night cream is moisture-rich, non-greasy, antioxidant packed for all skin types. So here are what they look like. So the night one has like a darker cap, so I like that, so you can tell the difference between the two. That is awesome. Here is the card for them. So Honey Belle is a natural beauty brand that started in a home kitchen. Founded by Irish Cheering and Kelvin Hong in 2015, in the midst of her own adult onset psoriasis and Kelvin's lifelong struggle with eczema, Iris began formulating natural creams and soaps for a solution to their individual skin concerns. Driven by the intention of natural wellness, she eventually found herself creating an entire clean skincare line to connect real people with real products that work. Determined to make a positive impact in celebrating natural skin, flaws and all, the couple quit their full-time jobs and have never looked back. So this duo, the moisturizing face cream duo, is $30, and there's a code here for 20% off. Look how cute they are. They look like they're like just models for the brand. Oh my gosh, but this is awesome. I can't wait to try this out. It sounds awesome. All like natural stuff. I'm just like glancing at the ingredients and it looks good. So that is everything, and I think this is another really great month. So let's just do a quick recap. So the first thing I'm going to talk about that I just have open and I could smell from afar, not afar, from the desk below me, is the Barton Burns Pumpkin Pancakes candle. This smells so good. I'm going to bring this downstairs after filming and totally burn this tonight. We got the two skincare items, the Revitalizing Day Cream and the Replenishing Night Cream. I'm super excited to try those out. I think that's super cool. They did that, and like knowing their background, like that is awesome. Like I seriously love the information cards they give in here. So useful. And then we have the Sleep Roller Ball with the amethyst stones. I think this is super cool. Oh my god, these it like look so good. I just want to eat them so bad. The cashew brittle and the toasted almond brittle and cinnamon sugar, like amazing snacks, look so good. And these beautiful earrings, I love that they give back, and I think that's so cool. They're like close up to like cellular structures, like cancer cells. And the colors are beautiful, and I love that the company gives back. Like, this stuff is all so good this month. I love it, and I seriously love knowing stories of companies. Like, I love like having a connection with the item and the makers of the item, so that is so great. So again, I'm gonna link the California Found subscription box down below, and also my giveaways and all that. But thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I really appreciate it, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.